Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Mike, this is Tanya with Fowler Family Farm. In our last video we showed you our new mama that had just had two babies, twin.
Go ahead.
Oh, just had twins here in November. That was Sunday, today is Wednesday, and
She's right there.
we have another goat that had twins. I guess I really just missed my dates really bad. I wanted to put them in a month early because we knew we were selling the buck, and I wanted to have them in the 1st of January instead of February. So I guess I just missed it a little bit. So now we're having our goats in November, late November. We'll probably still have most of them in January.
Yeah.
But we did have two mamas give birth here in November. So we're going to show you the new babies since we showed you the two from Sunday.
Hey, look who's coming to see us.
Yep.
Turn that way.
And this is our butcher
Hey, Ronnie.
steer. This is Ronnie. He's curious. This guy has a butcher date in March.
His name is Ronald McDonald.
Yep.
Hey, Ronald.
He's a pretty good boy.
Hey, Ronnie.
He's Angus. All right, now we'll show you the two new baby goats. Hey, Ronnie. Okay, this is Oreo. And she had two little babies for us. She also had one boy and one girl, but I'm not sure which one's which.
They look so much alike. That's the little girl. She's tinier. Yeah, that's her.
Is that the little girl? Bella, get down.
Is she cute? Hi. Hi, little girl. Her little heart's beating. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, did you see what she did?
Yeah.
She just loved on me. Oh, well, I love you too. Well, I love you too. She like loved on me. It was cute. Okay.
Okay, let's go see the boy
Is your
now.
mama? Oh, you're so sweet. What do you think, Bella?
So we're gonna have to name her because she'll be staying on the
It's
farm.
okay. You're such a good mama, Oreo.
Yeah, Oreo is by far our best mom on the farm. She's very good. And Oreo is the mother of Ginger Snap, who had the babies last Sunday, which are right there.
Let's go look at them. Bella, come here. Bella. Come here. Sit.
Follow me. Come on. Let's go. Come on. So we had two new babies. We actually had these two Monday, so the day after the first video we shot, which is we are uploading it right now, and it's Wednesday, so you should see it on a Wednesday. And this video we're shooting here you should see on Thanksgiving Day. So happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you and your family got to get together this year. It's been a crazy year. Alright, let's go see if we can see the other two that were born Sunday.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
They're all kind of happy. That's Ginger Snap. There's her too.
Oh, look at
I
them.
gotta get on the other side. It's just bad sun.
Hey, Ginger.
She's curious. Look at her. She's like, stay back.
Trying to figure out what that is.
Hi, Ginger. Here, let me zoom out.
Like, do you have food?
I don't have food this time, girl. I'm sorry.
No, it's back. 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 No, Bella. No.
Yep. You guys help us name this one?
So Mama is Ginger Snap, so we probably need to name it something kind of close to Mama so we know who the Mama is.
Well, they're all gonna have to be cookies when it comes from Oreo or Ginger Snap. We don't name the boys. We just name the girls.
How about Thin Mint?
That's what Braxton said last time.
Are you Thin
This
Mint?
Bella's curious.
She looks like a little Thin Mint.
Yeah.
Thin Mint? Are you gonna be Thin Mint? Bella, quit.
So I'm just cleaning her.
Are you gonna be Thin Mint? What's the name of the Thin Mint? Andy's or this is a girl? So what's that other? Is there a name of a Thin Mint, like a brand name?
Probably.
Anyway.
We'd do York.
York.
They're black on the outside and white on the inside.
They are Thin Mints, right?
Well, they're not thin.
Oh.
They're mints.
How about Patty? Peppermint Patty.
No.
Why? She's cute though.
We think this one up against the fence. Cinnamon right here is going to be the
have
next
hers
one.
next.
She'll be the next one. You going to be next, Cinnamon? You're staying alone. You're staying away from all the other ones. Alright, guys, this is Ginger Snap's girl. Take a good look at her and give us some name ideas. Black, brown, and white.
Mostly black and white.
Yeah,
got brown feet.
the feet are brown, a little bit of brown on the face and the ears, and a lot of black and a little bit of white too.
Look just like his mama and daddy.
Alright, so this was Ginger Snap's boy. You've already seen him on the last video too, but we're just going to give you a quick close-up. We're not going to name him. So.
He's a big boy.
Yeah,
He will be for sale soon,
He is
so
way bigger than his sister.
he's really nice looking. Big, strong boy. And he's
4 days old.
He's friendly.
Well, he is now.
Yeah. Till he gets some testosterone. Ronnie's checking out the new babies.
Ronnie's pretty curious too. Oreo doesn't really like his pet very much.
No,
She's not a pet.
she wants to know that everything's okay.
So is that the boy or
He's
girl?
That's a little boy, I think. Oh no, this is the little girl. I thought the little girl was smaller. Is it, little girl?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, well, hold on. It's okay. It's okay.
Alright, so help us name this little girl.
Get to keep her. This is Oreo's little baby.
Come on, focus.
She looks like on the front like her dad.
She is big already.
She is big. She could be like her mommy.
She's
She could be
born,
big.
yeah. She's born Monday, so.
Hi, pretty girl. Hi.
And this one's the boy. Yep, that's the boy. Right there. He's a little cutie.
He is little. Hey, buddy. His little ears are cute. How could you not like these little things? They're just so cute.
Yeah, they're adorable, aren't they?
Yes, they are. What's wrong, Mama? He's ready to get in.
Okay, getting down. Almost gotta check her out.
He's like, that was hard work. I gotta eat. Good girl, Oreo, and your little frostbit ears.
Yeah, Oreo got frostbit ears when she was born.
when she was.
So her ears are about half the size they should be.
Wow.
Bella.
You can play, Bella. You can play with Chip, Bella. Chip will play with you. What's Chip? Chip, why are you saying?
Hey, Chip.
He's trying to be a stud right now.
Yeah.
You see him?
Yeah.
Look at him walk around like he's a thing.
Hey, Chip. This is our new buck. He's only 4 months old.
He's already taking control. She's like, are you my mommy?
Oh, he's
Aw.
peeing. She's peeing.
Look how she's peeing. Like a little baby.
She's a little baby.
Oh, I can't wait to make goat videos when they start playing.
Yeah. I know. And the good thing is there's 4 of them, so there'll be plenty. Oh.
That's not your mama. Oh.
Hey, Sprite.
That's what they're supposed to do.
I know.
Your mama's hollering at you.
She's sweet, isn't she? Better go find your babies.
She's just sniffing me like, I think she smells her baby's off.
Oh yeah.
Your breast stinks. There they are. I think she was asking me where her babies were. Bella, your breast stinks. Go away. Shoot, you smell like rotten fish. What you been eating? Is there one missing? All right. Well, thanks for joining us on the Fowler Family Farm today with our new 4 babies. Go ahead and leave some comments at the bottom and let us know what you think we should name these 2 little girls that get to stay on the farm.
They both have to be a cookie. This is Ginger Snap's baby girl, and this is Oreo's baby girl.
Yep. So Ginger Snap's little girl and Oreo's little girl. But anyway, we'll see you next time on the Fowler Family Farms. Y'all make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and help us grow.
Yep. Be blessed, and we'll see you on the next video.
Happy Thanksgiving.